Good morning, students. Today I am discussing about some important questions for your CCE examinations. So, question number one, what? Actually, today's topics are human growth and development. So, look, students, first questions for your upcoming examination: development causes different changes. So options are there: positive, negative, both, and natural. What? Development causes different changes. So positive, negative, both of them. I mean both AB and natural. So answers are there, both A and B. I mean positive and negative both. So now look, students, another important questions: development causes. Options are there: quantitative changes, qualitative changes, both of them, none of these. So development causes quantitative, qualitative, both A and B, none of these. So what is the answer? You are already known this matter. Quantitative or qualitative? You tell me this answer. And now look, growth refers to increase in height and weight, increase in size, strengthening the human skeleton, all of these. So growth refers to increase in height and weight, increase in size, strengthening the human skeleton, and all of these. So what is the answer? Answers is all of these. Cause growth refers to increase in height and weight, increase in size, strengthening the human skeleton, all of these. So now look, another important questions. Maturation refers to that stage of the development when an organisms. What? Maturation refers to that stage of the development when an organisms starts performing instinctive functions, starts affecting other organisms, enables to perform social functions, completes training. So maturation refers that stage the development when an organisms starts performing instinctive functions, starts affecting other organisms, enables to perform social functions, or completes training. So look, answers will be there: enables to perform social functions. What? Enables to perform social functions. Understood? Now another important questions: the quantitative change the body are called. What? The quantitative change of the body are called. What? Activity, growth, maturation, adolescence. So quantitative change to body are called activity, growth, maturity, maturation, or adolescence. So here growth, quantitative change means growth. Growth is the change of our body is called quantitative change. Understood? Now look, another important questions: in the development of a child, a significant role is played by. What? In the development of child, a significant role is played by heredity, environment, both of AB, and all of this. Look, students, here's a funny options: both of them, all of these. So in the development of a child, a significant role played by heredity, environment, both of these. Okay, I mean all of these. So look, students, heredity refers to those traits which are transmitted to the children. What? Heredity refers to those traits which are transmitted to the children. I mean parents, environment, educational instruction, all of these. So what is the answer? Heredity refers to those traits which are transmitted to children, parents, environment, educational institution, all of this. So heredity refers to those traits which are transmitted to the children by parents. Understood? Now look, another important question: genes are the units mainly associated with Genes are the units mainly associated with environment, education, grooming, heredity. This one also answers heredity. So genes are the units mainly associated with heredity. Understood? Now look another important questions for your upcoming CC examinations. Which of the following human traits heredity? Which of the following human traits heredity? So answers, there are options: height, color of skin and hair, structure of bones, all of the above. So human traits heredity: height, color of skin and hair, structure of the bones, and all of the above. So here answers will be all of the above, because height also important human traits for heredity, human traits heredity, color of skin and hair also, structure of the bones, all things. Okay, that's why here answers what all of the above. Now look, heredity cells are dashed by environment. So heredity cells are affected, non-affected, changed, harmed. What? Heredity cells are dashed by dashed by environment. So heredity cells are changed by environment. Understood? What? Heredity cells are changes by environment. Okay. Now look, the law similar things give rise to similar things is called the law of, this one is not your syllabus, so not needed for your upcoming examination. Now look, according to law of recurrence direction of human developments, extreme to middle, middle to extreme, middle to outer, all of the above. So this one also out of syllabus, so not needed for your upcoming examinations. Now look, effect of the environment are such factors of change in an individual which leave an impressions on the fertilized cell. So look student, effects of environment are such factors of changes in an individual which leave an impressions on a fertilized cell. So genetically, options: genetically, extremely, internally, and none of the above. So effects of environments are such factors of changes in an individual's which leave an impression on a fertilized cell. So genetically. What? Genetically. Understood? Now look, another important question: the significant effects of environment are manifested before birth of child, after the birth of child, at the time of adolescence, and none of these. So the significant effects of environment are manifested at the time of adolescence. Understood? Now look, learning of culture and language is the process associated with environment, heredity, law of similarity, law of modifications. So learning of culture and language is a process associated with environment, heredity, law of similarity, law of modification. So environment, learning the culture and language is the process associated with laws of modifications. Not. This is the answer: environment. Understood? And now look, give me a child and I will move him as you desire. This was said by Freud, Skinner, Wollstone, and Pavlov. So this one also you not needed for your upcoming examination. You tell me what is the answers. Okay. So the environment helps man to build personality, success in life, development his potentials, all of the above. So answers are here all of the above, because the environment helps man to build personality, success in life, develop his potentials also. So now look, an individual is the product of heredity, environment only, interaction between heredity and environment, none of those. So the individual is the product of interaction between heredity and environment. Understood? And the unhealthy environment can suppress God heredity, cannot suppress good healthy heredity, and can suppress but cannot extinguish, and not of the above. So unhealthy environment, I mean, can suppress but cannot healthy extinguish, not cannot suppress good heredity. Understood? So cannot suppress good heredity. And the surroundings of individuals are called, the surroundings of individuals are called what? Environment, heredity, identity, way of thinking. So surroundings of individuals are called his environment. What? The surroundings of individuals are called environment, identity, heredity, way of thinking. So environment, okay. And healthy environment and training, healthy environment and training can turn the dull child into an intelligent one, cannot turn dull child into an intelligent one, and can turn a dull child into a gifted one. None of this. So first one answers can turn a dull child into an intelligent one. Understood? Now look another important questions. What? Heredity. Heredity of sense determines the capacity, does not determine the capacity, increase the capacity, modifies the capacity. So heredity, what? Determines the capacity, okay. And in development, an important role is played by heredity, environment, both AB, none of this. So both AB. And now look, the individuals possessing limited abilities, the individuals possessing limited abilities live simple life, I mean live simple life, search for living opportunities, are not creative, all of the above. So individual possessing limited abilities, I mean all of the above, okay. And now look another important questions. Better development can only be ensured by good heredity, good environment, AB, both, and good heredity and unhealthy environment. So better development can only be ensured by good heredity and good environment, okay. So now look, these are all, and development is a continuous process, an organized process, a creative process, all of the above. So development is always continuous process. What? Development is always continuous process. Understood? Now look another important questions. Every step of personality development is creative, physical, emotional, and none of the above. So every step of personality development always creative. Okay. And which aspects of development is most important? Physical development, cognitive development, emotional development, all aspects are equally important. So which aspects of development most important? Physical development, cognitive development, emotional development, or all aspects are equally important. All aspects are equally important, but firstly needed physical development. Understood? Got it? So these are all about your upcoming examinations. So carefully listen my voice and study at your home, cause these questions really important for your examinations. Okay, so thank you students.